In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an image for a background in Squarespace 7.1. Now, using images as backgrounds can really elevate the visual appeal of your website, and it's quite simple to do once you know the steps. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by logging into your Squarespace account. On your browser, head over to the Squarespace homepage and look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose your method of login. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the Google option to keep things straightforward. Simply click on Continue with Google and select the Google account associated with your Squarespace website. Of course, you can always use another method if you prefer, but this is a popular choice for its ease and simplicity. After you've logged in, you should be looking at your main dashboard. Now locate and select the website you want to work on. You'll see it listed among your sites, and just clicking on it will take you into the editing interface specific to that website. Once you're inside, the next step is to go to Edit. You should see an option somewhere on the page inviting you to edit your site. This is usually quite prominent, so it should be easy to spot. Click on it and it will bring you into the design view where you can make your changes. In the design view, look for the button that says Edit section. This will allow you to make changes to the specific segment of the page you are working on. Click on it, and this will open additional options for that section. Now you'll want to navigate to the background settings of the section you're editing. You can find this option in the menu that appears when you click Edit section. Clicking on Background will allow you to customize what visitors see at the back of this section of your website. Here's where you get creative. You should see an option to add an image. Go ahead and click on that. It will allow you to replace the current background of that section with any image you choose. To add your own image, click on Upload File. This button will open a window on your computer where you can search and select the image you want to use as your background. Take a moment to browse through your files and find the perfect image that matches the look and feel you're aiming to achieve for your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image as a background in Squarespace 7.1. Remember, playing around with different images can bring a dynamic and fresh look to your website, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find just the right fit. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!